period, with the help of the electronic configuration, I show you how the positive and negative ions are formed. So let's consider the same example, that is sodium chloride only. Let's consider the example of sodium chloride only. Sodium chloride is a compound made of sodium and chlorine. How this compound is formed? Sodium atomic number I show in the figure last electronic configuration. When sodium atom loses one electron, then it's converted into sodium ion. That is positive charge on sodium ion. While this electron which is donated by sodium is accepted by chlorine, and chlorine get negative charge on it. Now these oppositely charged ions are attracted with the help of force of attraction between them, and the sodium chloride solid is formed. In this way, the bond between positive and negative ions are ionic bond. Because the ions are transferred, therefore bond between sodium ion and chlorine ion is ionic bond, and ionic bond formed between the positive and negative ions are the formation of ionic compounds. So in this way, ionic compounds are formed. So when we are considering any ionic compound, obviously positive and negative ions are there, because unless and until there is no force of attraction between them, the neutral compound is not formed. So therefore ions are already existing. Now what happens when this solid dissolve in water? Now let's see what happens when sodium chloride is dissolved in water. For example, in this container some amount of water we are pouring, and sodium chloride is already there in this container, and we are adding some water in this container. So when after dissolving the solid into water, after some time we see that no particles of sodium chloride are there remaining. So this means they dissolve completely. Now what happens when the solid sodium chloride is dissolving in water? When the solid sodium chloride is dissolved in water, already ions are existing in sodium chloride, that is positive ions and negative ions. So when before dissolving in water, these two ions, they are sitting together very closely with each other like this. One is sodium and one is chlorine, and they are sitting very close together with the force of attraction. But when sodium chloride is dissolved in water, water push these two ions and separate them. In this way, these two ions are separated. This is sodium and this is chlorine ion, sodium ion and chlorine ion. So water push the ions and separate the ion, sodium ion and chlorine ion. So simply water is coming between these two positive and negative ion, pushing them side by side. So here, while dissolving in water, separation of ions takes place. So dissociation is the process where after dissolving the solid into water, then the separation of ions takes place in the aqueous form. This process is known as dissociation of ionic compound. So dissociation takes place between the ionic compounds only, where positive and negative ions are there. So water push the two ions and separate them. So separation of ions from its compound when the compound is dissolved in water is known as dissociation. Separation of ions from its compound after dissolving in water is known as dissociation of ionic compound. Start. Definition of dissociation is separation of ions from its compound after dissolving in water is known as dissociation. So when any solid substance is dissolved in water, and if that substance is dissolved in water, means it is completely soluble, then the ion formation is there, because the ions are already existing in the solid. So water push and separate the ions. So that is the meaning of dissociation. So on this definition or the property of dissociation, Arrhenius, the Swedish scientist, put forth the theory of acid and base on the basis of dissociation. He explained the meaning of acid on the basis of dissociation. An acid is a substance which on dissolving in water gives H plus ions as the only cation. So when the substance is dissolved in water, and if that substance is soluble in water, then and only then the ion formations are there, means ions are existing. Only water separate the ions, and after dissolving, if the substance gives only H plus ions as the cation or the basic radical, then it is known